Hello and welcome to today's coding tutorial. In this video, we'll tackle Codeforce's problem 791A, titled Bear and Big Brother. Let's break down the problem and find an optimal solution. Here's the scenario: we have two bears, Limac and Bob. Limac, the younger bear, initially weighs less than or equal to Bob. Every year, Limac triples his weight while Bob doubles his weight. Our goal is to calculate how many years it will take for Limac's weight to exceed Bob's weight. The input consists of two integers, the initial weight of Limac, L, the initial weight of Bob, B. The output should be the number of years N it takes for Limac's weight to become strictly greater than Bob's weight. For instance, if L equals 4 and B equals 7, Limac will reach a weight greater than Bob's in 2 years. Let's simulate it. Year 1, Limac becomes 12, 4 by 3, and Bob becomes 14, 7 by 2. Year 2, Limac becomes 36, 12 by 3, and Bob becomes 28, 14 by 2. Here, Limac's weight exceeds Bob's weight in the second year, so N equals 2. Now, let's go through the Python code to solve this. First, we take two inputs, L and B, representing the initial weights of Limac and Bob. We read them from input, split by a space, and convert them to integers. We initialize a variable n to count the number of years. This counter starts at 0. Next, we set up a while loop to keep simulating the weight growth year by year, as long as Bob's weight is still greater than or equal to Limac's weight. Inside the loop, we increase the year counter n by 1. We update Bob's weight by doubling it, b equals b asterisk 2. We update Limac's weight by tripling it, L equals L asterisk 3. This continues until Limac's weight finally exceeds Bob's. Once the loop ends, N holds the number of years required for Limac to outweigh Bob. We then print N as our final answer. This solution is very efficient because we only simulate the growth in weights each year, which runs in O, log L, time complexity. Python handles integer multiplication well, so this approach works within the problem's constraints. And that's it. We've successfully solved the problem by simulating each year's growth for both Limac and Bob. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more problem-solving tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.